हे हाय गाइस इंग्लिश स्टोरीज वर्ल्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है एंड टुडे आई एम बैक विद अ न्यू रियल इंस्पिरेशनल इंग्लिश स्टोरी ऑफ प्रशांत किरात. From a small village to millions of dreams. The inspiring journey of Prasant Kirat. In the dusty lands of a small village in Haryana, a boy was born into a simple family, Prasant Kirat. He wasn't born with luxury or with a silver spoon, but he was born with something far more powerful, a fire to learn, to rise, and to change the world around him. His father worked hard to make ends meet, and his mother, a woman of a few words, was his silent strength. Every night, when lights would go off and the darkness covered the village, little Prasant would open his books under a dim lantern. And that's where his dream began. A dream to study, to grow, and to someday teach others the way no one taught him. प्रशांत किरात कहते हैं, मैं बड़ा होकर टीचर बनूंगा, लेकिन ऐसा टीचर जिससे पढ़ के कोई बोर ना हो. Growing up in a small town wasn't easy. There were limited schools, almost no coaching institutes, and hardly any guidance. But Prasant was different. He believed that if resources were less, effort had to be more. His classmates often laughed when he talked about competing with the city students. They said, भाई हमारे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स आईआईटी कैसे क्लियर करेंगे? And he'd reply with a calm smile. मैं उनसे compete नहीं कर रहा, मैं खुद से जीतने निकला हूँ. Electricity cuts, financial struggles, and self-doubt. These were his real enemies. But instead of giving up, he started observing how students study, what mistakes they make, and how memory really works. This curiosity later became the foundation of his teaching style. When Prasant appeared for his engineering exams, he faced failure not once but multiple times. He felt lost, tired, and hopeless. But then he realized something powerful. स्टूडेंट्स फेल नहीं होते, सिस्टम फेल होता है. पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं होती, सिर्फ पढ़ाने का तरीका बोरिंग होता है. That realization changed everything he decided. Even if he couldn't become the best engineer, he would become the best teacher who makes learning simple, interesting, and powerful. After completing his studies, he started teaching a few students in his village for free. He would explain science with stories, maths with real life examples, and motivation with logic, not drama. His energy was infectious. Students who once hated studying started loving his sessions, and that's when he knew this is my purpose. He created his first platform, Next Toppers, a place where average students could finally see themselves as future toppers. But Prasant wasn't satisfied. He wanted to reach every student no matter where they lived. So he started his YouTube channel XFUB. He had no fancy setup, just a phone camera, a whiteboard, and his burning passion. The first few videos didn't get many views. People said, ये सब करके क्या मिलेगा? And he replied, मैं views के लिए नहीं पढ़ाता, मैं change के लिए पढ़ाता हूँ. Slowly, his videos started spreading like fire. Students from all concerns of India began watching his unique way of teaching, filled with energy, humor, and deep understanding of how the brain learns. He talked about the mind hacks, study techniques, focus, and habits. He said things every student needed to hear. दिमाग को ट्रेन करो, सिलेबस को नहीं. आपका पास्ट आपकी कहानी नहीं है, आपका प्रेजेंट लिख रहा है आपका फ्यूचर. His content wasn't just about exams, it was about life. He taught students to believe in themselves, to plan their dreams, and to never give up. Within a short time, Prasant Kirat became one of the India's most beloved educators and motivational speakers. He turned XFAB into a full-fledged learning platform combining science, memory, and motivation. But even after the fame, one thing never changed: his humanity. He still says, मैं पढ़ाता नहीं, मैं स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में इग्निशन लगाता हूँ. For him, teaching is not a profession, it's a mission. He believes that every student has talent, they just need the right direction. And that's what he provides: direction, discipline, and belief. He reminds his audience, हर टॉपर एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट ही होता है, बस उसने हार नहीं मानी होती. Thousands of students now call him Sir, but he still calls himself a learner because he believes that the day you stop learning, you stop growing. Today, Prasant's story isn't just about success, it's about courage to fight against odds, to follow your passion, and to create something that changes lives. Message to every student. Prasant's life gives a message to every younger dreamer. You don't need big cities, big schools, or big money to succeed. You just need a big dream and the courage to chase it. He often ends his talks saying, अगर तुम्हें दुनिया बदलनी है तो पहले अपनी सोच बदलो. जिंदगी एक रेस नहीं है, ये एक टेस्ट है, और तुम्हारा बेस्ट रिजल्ट अभी आना बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Today, when Prashant walks into a classroom or uploads a new video, he still remembers that boy studying under a lantern. And he smiles because he knows the real light never came from the lantern. It came from within. मैं छोटी सी जगह से हूँ, लेकिन मेरे सपने पूरी दुनिया जितने बड़े हैं. So, guys, if this story of Prasant Kirad touched your heart, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Story World, and share this story with someone who needs motivation today. Because sometimes one story can light 1,000 minds. So, this was the story of Prasant Kirad. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, please.